Hello and welcome. My name is Boymeister and you're watching Studio Boy again? Question mark. So today we are making something for ourselves. No request, no nothing. Also, one moment of silence please for this beautiful watch, which I bought because I graduated and I lost it in the forest when I was playing with friends. Yeah. Okay, today we are making, I would say it's a lady. Yeah, it's a lady. And the statue sculpture is called Bent. I made this one while I was in the studio till a bit later. Yeah, fantasy goes wild. Yeah, as always, I really like this very rough sculpting tool, and I just how do you call it? It's not scratch. It's like cut almost. I cut the very rough shapes in it, and this makes for a very quick proportion. Yeah, so it's a lady. She has her hands tied behind her back, and she's either sitting down or on her knees, depending on what you want to see. And what I usually do with the bum area is that I try to fold it open, detail a little bit, make the edges not too sharp, and then just press it back in again. So at this stage the clay is still very wet, so it's very easy to smudge it into the smooth surface. Here you see me trying to divine like the contours, or like this, you know, where the body folds. Yeah, and I do this by making a cut and then smoothing out both sides. When I say it, it sounds very simple, and I think it also is, but I gotta be detailed here. So here the clay has already been dried for about a week or so, and now I like to use my small file and make the surfaces smooth and make the proportions better, like where are the ribs. Today I'm wearing the same nail polish as I do. If you are interested, I'm recording this like 3 or 4 weeks after. So. Maybe while we wait I can tell you some personal news. I recently got a puppy, and that's also the reason why I've been a bit less online or posting or making, actually, because I still have to raise this little guy. He doesn't know shit, and he shits everywhere. Actually, that's really quite a good boy. And another thing I want to mention is that I bought this microphone for these videos, but I cheaped out on it, and it's actually shit, as you can probably hear. So yeah, I might just use the microphone of my phone because I think it's better actually. So here we are applying the gold leaf with the new method of first letting the base color dry and then patting it down with a thin layer of finish. And after that just apply the gold, instead of applying the gold in the wet base. So here we are painting black, and I didn't really knew what I wanted to do with the gold, like if I wanted to make 2 circles on the bottom or if I just wanted to leave a big space like here you see me up here. And eventually I chose to just leave a big oval shape, I guess, and see how I feel about it in a few days, and then if I don't like it I change it. But for now this is it. I hope you enjoy.